Hi, my name's Katch and today we're going to make some super colourful mosaic tiles. So to do this mosaic tile art, we only need a couple of products, a tile to start on, we need some glue and grout, and here we've got a selection of pre-cut tiles that you can buy in store. And don't forget your gloves and your spatula. First thing we've got to do is get our gloves on. Then you'll be ready to go. So I've chosen to use this tile because it's nice and smooth, a great size for a coaster, but you can basically use any tile that you've got, even a piece of timber. So today I've chosen a grout that's actually got the glue in it, because with traditional mosaicing you glue and then grout over the top of it. For the kids this is a much easier step because it's all in one. Particularly in warmer weather, this glue grout can dry pretty quickly, so maybe just put a section at a time. So now's the fun bit. You can have a think about your design, so think maybe border, flower, sun. Today I've chosen to do a rainbow. So now we've finished filling up that half, it's time to add some more glue grout and finish our second half. Yay, so now we've finished. Looks pretty cool, I think, nice and colourful, but we want to make sure that our tiles are all pushed in nice and firmly so they're not going to pop out. Just give it a gentle push. Now that we've finished our groovy tile, we're going to put it aside and let it dry for 24 hours. In case you got any excess of the glue grout on the tiles, you can clean it when it's fully dry with some warm soapy water. Really happy with my rainbow inspired design, but it really is up to your imagination. Here's one with a border and a bit of a random design in the middle. And this is a heart inspired one, which might be nice for mum. Doesn't matter what you do, just make sure you have fun.